So it's minus 20 with wind chill outside. So this is when I need to convert from a mild-mannered researcher to the winter ninja. Earlier this morning, I already had to tow another individual up a hill. Most of this happened overnight. With minus 20 with all the wind chill and the snowfall, it's kind of crazy to believe that about 50 degrees difference from here in Calgary. I hope you're ready for a little adventure. I'll tell you when we get there. Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. It's minus 16 out right now. It's cold, and with the wind chill, probably even colder. Yesterday I tried to check in and I was not able to check in. It said I had to go to the counter, maybe because my flight has a couple different airlines involved. We are first going from Calgary to Denver, and then from Denver to Tokyo Narita, and then after that we're going from Tokyo Narita to Kuala Lumpur. And so I have 2 days of business meetings in Kuala Lumpur. I've never been there. It's a super short trip, 26 hours flight one way, and so basically I'm going to be spending like a week in a plane. Okay, thank you. So the first flight is Calgary to Denver. Really, because it's a business trip, I really don't have much time to go and visit anything, but I will try to visit a few places. If I can, I'd really like to visit the Petronas Towers. Just arrived in Denver. Check out this area. Cool, huh? And look. They asked me, okay, are you willing to upgrade? Like, are you willing to pay for the upgrade? It's like $200 or something. I told them, no, that's okay. Like, if somebody else, wants a seat, or somebody has like a higher status or whatever, like that's fine. They can just take it. And they're like, oh, okay, well, we'll keep you on the list. If nobody else has it, we'll see if we can swap you out. And so they did. They were able to swap me out. They really delivered. Both of these are window seats now. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm boarding the plane to Tokyo. I am 25A. Is this side? Okay, thank you. Score! Check out these windows. So this is Japan. Wow. Just landed in Tokyo Narita. Hello. Thank you. So one of the nice things about meeting with Nobu is that he was actually a fellow research scientist as well. He does it in the pharmaceuticals. He actually does medical science. And so they're doing a lot of stuff on the creation of new drugs. An exciting area. Like, if you look at what's happening with CRISPR and Cas9 and like just all these types of drugs that just were not possible a few years ago. Thank goodness for automated walkways. It's okay. I think the guy in front of me is probably the pilot, so they're not leaving without him. Yeah, they're not leaving without this guy. Cool.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Success! I made it. I made it. Thank you. Thank you. Kuala Lumpur, here we come. I think this is hour 20 of flying. Hello, I'm 31K.
31K is the other.
Other side? Okay, thank you.
Our departure is directed to
A thunderstorm. Whoa! Rolling blackouts. finally arrived at Kuala Lumpur. This is the last stop. 26 hours of flying. The rolling blackouts. Like you'd see parts of the city, just all the lights are on and then there's just everything's off. So I don't have any bags. Everything that I have is just with me. Hello. Just go? Okay, thank you.
Oh, yes.
This is me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. 30 something.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
It's hot, is it?
So it's 50 degrees difference from where I come from. I wanted to stay longer for local tours, but I don't have time. Edward. So it's currently 1:37 a.m. I have just finished checking into the hotel. And wow, look at that. It's got a little lounge area over here, a little TV over here, and then this area with the sink. It's like a dual sink and a little tub over here. Oh, it's a big mirror. A sauna. Oh, it's like an overhead shower. Wow, fancy. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, click the bell.